What's up, guys? This is Trey with Smart Home Starter, and today we're just going to do a quick video on a few things you can try if your LG TV, for whatever reason, has gone blue. If you're seeing a blue tint on your picture. So, with that, let's jump right in. Now, this is probably going to sound overly simple, but it does work a lot of the time. And what we're going to do is simply unplug the TV directly out from the wall, right? And we're going to leave it unplugged for about 60 seconds. This is going to give it a chance to reset. Now, after the 60 seconds, what we're going to do is just plug it back in, right? And we're going to see if that helped. You'd be surprised at how many times unplugging and plugging it back in actually fixed this issue. Now, if we're still seeing the blue tint, I'm going to give you another overly simple thing to check. But again, this has been the culprit many times. We're going to want to check our HDMI cables. We're going to want to make sure that they're clean, they're operational, and they're in good shape. But we're also going to take our HDMI and put it into another slot, right? Like maybe something has gone wrong with the slot that we're currently using, and hopefully that is going to fix the problem. If not, we're probably going to move on with a factory reset. Now, factory reset's pretty easy. Actually, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to link a video here or here of how to factory reset an LG TV, and we'll keep going through our troubleshooting for the blue screen. So now we're going to take it over to the TV and see what we can do to manipulate the picture through settings. So the first thing we're going to check is our picture mode. In picture mode, we have multiple different picture settings. These are kind of like templates that we can use. And through here, I mean, just flip through them and see, you know, if any of these are fixing your issue. So if none of those are working, let's dive a little bit deeper, head over to all settings, let this load, and we're gonna just play with the picture in the advanced settings. Now, definitely use caution, I'm no expert here, but we do have a lot of options in here, like this reduce blue light option, as well as the color settings here. Again, this is kind of one of those things where you play with it and then you reset it if you know you completely ruin it, which I am very likely to do. So one of the last things we're going to do is actually run through a screen self-diagnosis. So open up all settings and run down to support and do the screen self-diagnosis here. It's pretty cool, but this TV doesn't have any issues currently, so it's not really going to do much. But we'll run through the process. Let's look through the image. It's clear, and yeah, so that, again, I don't have any issues with this screen, so it's not really going to do much for me, but it's definitely something to try. Now, if you went through every one of those and nothing worked, your issue is probably with the backlight or LEDs. At which point, you know, yes, you can fix it, but does it make sense to? Maybe, if you're very technical. Me personally, I'm not. If I went through all those and I could not fix it, it might be time for a new TV. Most TVs only last, what is it, 10, is it 10? 4,000? I have to find the stat, but they don't last forever, and it just might be time for an upgrade. But, you know, fingers crossed for you that it did work, and if it did, let me know. If it didn't work, let me know how old your TV is. Would love to know. And that's all I got for today, so thanks guys. Do me a favor, like this video if it helped, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time.